So welcome again, once again. I'm Teacher Wycliffe. This is the second lesson on indices. Remember, on our first lesson, we did this topic on indices from 2. There was a question that we were able to solve last time. I thought it wise to come up with another question in a different form, but on the same indices. In this question, there are some concepts that we are going to integrate here. Like when you look at this question, it has two parts. The first part, which says if 3 power x minus y, this one, 3 power x minus y is equals to 27. This is the first part of the question. The second part is this one, 3 power x plus y is equals to 243. I repeat, the first part is 3 power x minus y equals to 27. The second part is 3 power x plus y equals 243. Then the question is saying find the values of x and y. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to form simultaneous equations from the two parts of the question. The first part which says 3 power x minus y, equals to 27. This is what we are going to do here. Please be very careful. This is what we are going to do. We are going to have that is 3 power x minus y equals to 27. Using the laws of indices, we are going to write this number 27 in index form. So you remember yesterday what I told you. An index is just a power or an exponent which is raised to a number. So now this 27, you realize that when we write 27 as a product of its prime factor, we are going to have 27 is equals to 3 times 3 times 3. This means 27 is equals to 3 power 3. The power here means the number of times we are multiplying these 3. So now we have written 27 in index form as 3 power 3. So I'm going back to the equation, and going back to the equation, we are going to have now 3 power x minus y is equals to 3 power 3. You remember in our last lesson, I said if the base are equal, then we are going also to say that the powers are equal. So we are going to have x minus y is equals to 3. This now forms the first equation. Then we go back to the equation. There is this second part which says 3 power x plus y equals to 43. We are also going to write or form a simultaneous equation from that equation. which says 3 power x plus y equals to 243. You realize that when we write 243 as a product of its prime factors, we're going to have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now look here, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. 81 times 3 is 243. So how many 3's can you see? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 243 is equals to 3 power 5. So I go back to the equation, this equation here, where there is 243, I put 3 power 5. So we have 3 power x plus y equals to 243. But remember, 243 here is 3 power 5. So we shall have 3 power x plus y is equals to 3 power 5. Because the bases are equal, the powers are also equal. So x plus y is equals to 5. This is the second equation. Now, let me come on this side. The first equation is x minus y equals to 3. The second one is x plus y equals to 5. So learner, these are simultaneous equations. There are two ways of solving simultaneous equations, either by substitution or by elimination. So I'll use elimination method. I'm going to eliminate x. To eliminate means just to take away. So I'll say eliminate x. So when I eliminate x, it means I'm going to take away the two equations. So x minus x is equals to 0. And here we have negative y minus y. This gives us negative 2y, which is equals to 3 minus 5, gives us negative 2. So now we are going to have negative 2y is equals to negative 2. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2 to remain with y is equals to positive 1. So the value of y is equals to 1. We can go back to any of the equation. I can go back to equation 1, which says x minus y equals to 3. So where there is y here, I will put 1, because you remember here the value of y is equals to 1. So now we can have now x minus y equals to 3. Where there is y, remember we put 1. X minus 1 equals to 3. When we come down here, this means x is equals to, we take this one and we take it on the other side of the equation. In simple terms, we are collecting the like terms. So x will be equals to, when a negative number crosses an equal sign, it becomes a positive number. Or when the sign is negative and the number is crossing the equal sign, it is going to become a positive. So we shall have 3 plus 1. So this means x is equals to 4. So what was the question? The question was, find the values of x and y. We have already found the values. X is equals to 4, as you can see here. Then y is equals to 1. So that is it. That is the end of the question. We have already solved it. You can go and try more on this one. You can try on this one on your own. Try this one. 2 power x plus y equals to 8 equals to 8 equals to 8. Then another one is 2 power 2x minus y equals to, this one is equals to 32, equals to 32. Find the values, of x and y. You try that question. When we meet in our next lesson, I'll give you the answer, and I'll also try to work it out so that you know where you went wrong and where you got it right. Thank you. Always remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. The link is down there